Hello everyone, welcome to the Breast Oncoplastic course, a comprehensive resource for mastering advanced oncoplastic techniques. So whether you are using our app or YouTube channel, this short video, that is Breast Zero, will help you to navigate through each module with ease. So this is the interface for app, and when you click on the store tab, all the courses available on our app will be listed, and there are around 45 or 46 courses available at present. So you can either search for the Breast Oncoplasty course, or you can scroll down to look for the course. And this is the interface of the course. So when you click on the content menu, all the videos, all the content available will be listed like this, and some videos are unlocked for everybody, so available for all the app users as a bonus content, and some are for the members only. And similarly, on the YouTube, we have created a playlist for Breast Oncoplasty course, and all the videos numbered on the app are available similarly on the YouTube. Like so, if you have video 1 which talks about the LTAP flap, so all the videos will be under one heading, that is 1.1 to 1.5, that will cover the LTAP flap, and so on. So in the section 1, we have talked about the BCS with the LTAP flap, and we have divided it into 5 parts, part 1 to 1.5. This will be the pattern for all sections. Initially, we will cover about the theory. So there will be some free video as a sneak peek into the course. Then will be part 1, part 2, or combined part 1, part 2, and part 3 for the ease of learning. In the second part, we have covered in detail from theory to advanced surgical step-by-step demonstration about the Sentinel lymph node biopsy with ICG and methylene blue and type 1 oncoplasty. I will share this list in the basically app also. So all the videos available will be listed like this, 2.1 to 2.5. So section 2 will be talking about the Sentinel lymph node biopsy from theory to advanced surgical steps. The section 3 is dedicated for the LTAP, that is lateral intercostal artery perforator flap based reconstruction. So from video 3 to 3.3, we have covered in detail in a step-wise manner. The next section, that is section 4, we have covered in detail about the Grisotti flap, that is part 4.1 to 4.3. As I said, we have given the similar numbering of the videos from like section 1, section 2, section 3 on the YouTube also, so that you have a good learning experience. And I hope you will find this quick guide helpful for navigating across the course. So in this course, we will try to upload a few more videos like about the breast marking while doing the mastectomy, how to do the axial lymph node dissection. As I'm not doing a breast, I'm dependent on my surgical oncology colleague. So as and when I get a chance, I will upload, and I will record and upload the video. So thank you very much, friends. Happy learning. And if you are new to our channel, do like our content, subscribe to our channel. Do download our app, available for Android and iOS. The link for everything I will share in the description and pinned comments of this video. Thank you very much. Happy learning.